To spend your cryptocurrency holdings seamlessly, you can use a specific type of Visa card, which is accepted at any merchant that accepts Visa. To start, you need to obtain and activate the card. Once you have it, you can add funds by selecting the card option, then clicking on the Top Up button, and entering the amount you want to add. You can choose any cryptocurrency or select your local currency from the field wallet and enter the amount. Then click Confirm to complete the top-up process. With a funded card, you can make purchases in store using any point-of-sale terminal that accepts Visa, or enter your card details during online checkout on websites that accept Visa payments. Additionally, you may be eligible for cashback rewards, up to 5% in certain tokens, on eligible purchases. You can also withdraw cash from ATMs displaying the Visa or Visa Plus icon. But be aware of your card's withdrawal limits to avoid extra fees.